Here we have the 2020 Peugeot 5008. Now this one here does come to you with 28,000 miles on the clock. It is a 7-seater with a manual transmission. Now, as well as that, this is the GT line model, and it does come to you with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, hands-free call-in, voice assist, cruise control, sport driving mode, heated seats for the front two passengers, as well as a lovely massaging feature for the driver. Just taking you around the vehicle now, as you can see, we do also have that lovely electric supported boot and reversing camera as well. As you can see at the back, just here, just over these covers, we do have the rear seats, and we can just pop that back down again. So just taking you around into where the driver's seat is, as you can see on the steering wheel, we do have voice assist there for you, as well as hands-free cooling. Now, coming up to the screen here, we do have our climate control, radio, satellite navigation, driving modes such as our traction control adjustments, headlight dipping, for example, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as mentioned before. Just below we'll find our options for central locking, heating, and as well, if I press the button next to my seat, you can see we bring up that lovely driver massage feature as well. And we will just pop it into reverse. As you can see, we do get parking sensors, a reversing camera, and a top-down view as well.